everyone, it's Julie here, Big Lakes Dodge. Today I'll be showing you this 2024 Jeep Compass North with the 4x4. It's also got the selec-terrain management system. We got, what else do we got? We got electronic stability control. We got the all-speed traction control, electronic roll mitigation. We do have, it doesn't say what size tires. Let me just have a quick look. We'll look together, why not, right? These ones are 17-inch rims, and there's a quick look at that. We got all-terrain tires on there. It is Fathom Blue Pearl on the outside. I'll have a quick look on the inside. So it is a black interior. It has this gray accent. This is cloth right here. And then we got our door pockets, our power locks, power windows. The seat is a manual, but it is a mixture of the vinyl, I believe. Yeah, premium cloth vinyl bucket seats. So it's a mixture of cloth right here in this middle part. It is cloth, and then it's the vinyl here. Has blue stitching on it, which is cute. We got adjustable headrests on there. Oh no. Yeah, you adjust it through here. Moves up and down. It is a manual seat, so you use these to adjust. This one just pumps it up if you want it higher or lower. We got the accent, cloth accents here with the blue stitching as well. In your glove compartment, we do have our owner's manual in there, along with lots of extra room. You can throw many gloves. Got all-weather floor mats. And there's just a quick look in there. We're going into the back, and we'll have a look back here as well. All right, so again, cloth accents, blue stitching, our door pockets. We got back seat pockets here. You can throw a book or a map, something like that. It is a 60-40 split bench. So this side folds down in the 60 portion. That side folds down for the 40. We do have cup holders that pull down in the middle here. And then, of course, we have room in our door pockets there. In our center console, we have a USB port as well as a 12-volt DC port down here, and then your vents for your climate control. I'll just quickly show you. These ones are easy to fold down, so I can show you that. And then there you go. I was wrong. This part is your 40 split. That part's a 60 split. And then we do have the child anchor latch system in this. Yeah, there's a quick look at that. Got all-weather floor mats back here as well. And then we'll go on into the back, and you can have a look back here. So we got loads of cargo space in this one, which is nice. You know, you can make big grocery trips and not have to worry about having space for that. Especially when the seats come down, you have tons and tons of space. It's so easy, you can do it from this side. You just use this little latch here, push it, and there you go. You can see all that room that you have. Underneath here, we do have our spare tire in there. This does pull up easily, so it has a little push symbol there. And that handle comes up, and then you lift this up. And you can see your spare tire in there as well as your tools back there. And then we do have these little latches for tying down your cargo. If you put anything back here and you don't want it flying around, you can go ahead and tie that down there. And then we have these little spaces here and there to throw things. All right, close that back up. We do have a little wiper back here, the LED tail lamps, headlamps, all that good stuff. We'll look on this side, and also this side's already folded down, so you can have a quick look at that. Sorry, there we go. Now you can see that our cup holders fold down nice and easy. So it's basically the same thing as on that side. We got our cloth accents, our door pockets, back seat pocket. All right, there's a look at that. We'll go on into the driver's side. Look at this cute little compass badging there. I like how that looks, the silver against the blue. Very nice. All right, so on our door here, we have our power locks, power windows. This one's for our power adjustable mirrors, which are right there. They are heated, as you can tell by that little symbol there. So that just helps your mirrors not fog up when they have snow on them. And then it also helps so you don't really have to clear off your mirrors if there's some light snow on there. And those come on when you turn on your rear window defrosters. So right here, when you have those on, your heated mirrors come on as well. And then to adjust your mirrors, you just go ahead and select which which one you want to adjust, and then you move it around. So there's a look at that. There's your headlamp settings, so you can go ahead and adjust those there. This is how you would adjust your steering wheel. And then we do have rocker switches on the back, so this one does your tuning. This side does your volume control. And when you do turn it up, it does show up on your infotainment center. So this infotainment center is a 10.1-inch display. It has the Uconnect 5. So it comes with Sirius XM, AM, FM radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then you do save your presets for your favorite radio stations down at the bottom there. On your home screen, you can see that we do have our media set up there as well as your phone settings, so you can go right to your device manager on the home screen. But these widgets are customizable, so if you don't like which ones they are right now, you can go ahead and adjust them. Like, you can have your comfort settings there, so that way you can see your heated seats and everything right away. So this one does have front heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. These ones are just for your climate control here. So you can see we have our AC, our window defrosters, our different modes, and then this one just adjusts your temperature there. But for your seats, you go ahead and click that, and you can see your heated seats here as well as your heated steering wheel. This one's just your device manager there, or if you have your phone connected, it'll be your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And then this one's your vehicle settings. So here you can adjust all your settings, like the display brightness, your safety and driving assistance settings. So we do have automatic emergency braking in this one. And then when you go ahead and click this, you can see that that works in tandem with your forward collision warning. So with the forward collision warning, you can set the sensitivity of how far you are from the vehicle in front of you before it starts activating that forward collision warning. So you can have the different settings here. You can have it off altogether if you don't like that feature, or you just feel like you won't need it. You can go ahead and turn it off. You can have it set to only warn you, or you can have it to warn you and activate the braking as well, which just helps in avoid an accident. We have our drowsy driver alert, so if it thinks that you're drowsy, it'll alert you. I believe the message shows up on the dash here, as well as gives you like a little vibration in your steering wheel. Your active lane management, you can also adjust that here. So that would just be on marked highways where the lane markings are visible. It helps you stay within that, and there are different settings for that. Like, it can give you a little vibration to let you know when you're going outside of your lane, or it can also do your steering assist, so it'll help keep you within your lane if you're starting to go out of the lines a little bit, or you can have it set to both the vibration and the steering assist. It'll also give you a little warning, so it can tell you, you can set your settings there for how early or late it warns you, the vibration strength, the steering assist strength. So if it's coming in too hard with its steering assist and you just want it to gently help assist you, you can go ahead and adjust that there. As well as your clock and date, so you can set that to like if daylight savings time hits and you need to adjust your clock, you can go ahead and do that there. Mirrors and wipers, so we do have rain sensing auto wipers on here. They are activated, so if it were raining and your wipers are on, it will just automatically sense when it needs to wipe the rain away, which it uses a little sensor up behind your rear view mirror. Alright, in apps, oh no wait, I skipped over. In your vehicle settings, if you go to controls, you can see your rear view camera right there. You don't have to go into reverse in order to see that, so that's really nice. And then we do also have the trailer hitch zoom there as well with that little magnifying glass. All right, now in your apps, this just goes over all of the different app features in your infotainment center, and then of course you can access the settings and stuff there if you'd like. So that's our infotainment center. Below that, we do have our controls for our auto start stop system. So this one does have the auto start stop. It will shut off your engine automatically if you're stopped at a stoplight or something for, you know, I'm not too sure how long, but it's just for a little bit of time. So if you're stopped and you're idling, it'll turn off your engine just to save you a bit of fuel there, and then it'll turn it back on once you're ready to go, once you let off the brake. But you can turn off that feature if you don't like it. Some people don't like that. You know, it's just unsettling when your engine turns off at a stoplight sometimes when you're not expecting it. So you can go ahead and turn that off. This one's your traction control, so that one is just what what does that do again? Okay, so the traction control is like if you're stuck, if your tires are spinning out and stuff like that, it'll just make it so that way you get the right traction. Also, I had mentioned earlier that we do have the selec-terrain traction management system. So that's right here. It is set to auto, so it will automatically decide what kind of traction that you need. But you can also set it to sand and mud or snow if you know that you'll be driving through that. And then right there is our electric park brake. This one is your active lane management. So if you wanted to turn it off, you could go ahead and turn it off. Right now it is. And then when you do press it and turn it on, it does show up on your driver information screen up there. So yeah, that's right there. All of these things do show up on your driver information screen, which is really nice. You don't have to guess if they're on or not, or if anything is giving you troubles. Like right now, it shows me that I got some low fuel, so I'm gonna go fuel up after this. But that's the nice thing. Oh, I don't think I went over the driver information screen. So we do have the tire pressure monitoring. You got your temps and stuff like that. Your driver assist. So if you do have the lane management on, or what else is it? Forward collision warning. So you can see that right here if you wanted to. You can have it set there. Your fuel economy, your trip information, it has trip A and B, your stop start system, and then your audio messages. So that would be if it tells you to change your oil or something like that, the messages will store there. And then back to your speedometer. One thing that I didn't quite go over is we do have remote start in this one, as well as a remote keyless entry, and then your panic button, which just sounds your alarm if you're in a panic. So here we have our front and rear window defrosters. This one adjusts your fan settings. This one right here is your volume and your tuning, your air circulation and your different modes, and then there's your AC right there. Below that we have one USB and USB-C port, as well as some storage space down here. Plenty of storage space. And I do believe, yeah, it has this little liner here. So if you spill something in there or it gets sticky, you can go ahead and take that out and give it a quick clean. We do have four-wheel drive lock on here. So if you're ever really stuck and you need that extra traction, you can go ahead and click that, and that'll help you get out of, say you're stuck in a snowbank or in some mud or something like that, you need that extra traction. That'll help you, but make sure you're going slow when you use that. One thing I also didn't go over is we do have cruise control in here. So when you click this and activate your cruise control, it does show up on your driver information screen, and then you can set your speed higher or lower with these buttons here. On this side we have our voice recognition system, and then so this would be if you wanted to activate that, you hold this down and then it does come up. If your phone is paired, and then you can go ahead and tell it to play whatever song or adjust this and that. And then that would also be your answer call and end calls. Okay, now up here we have our interior lights. We do have a automatic dimming. Sorry, I'm just double checking that I don't say that it has and it doesn't. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, because I don't see the lines around it. But on our mirror here, we do have our SOS button. So in the case of an emergency, maybe you can see a little better like that. There we go. So in the case of an emergency, if you click that, that will call the police and send them to your location just for assistance there. Ooh, we have a windshield wiper de-icer. So it just melts. I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of hard to tell. Well, for me, I can see the little lines there that have for the heated portion of it, and that just defrosts your windshield wipers, so that way you're not dragging ice around and then it's hard for it to wipe. I think that's about it. Yeah, alrighty. Oh, I didn't go over it. It has the 2-liter. Okay, yeah, it has the 2-liter I-4 turbocharged engine. So that's the inline 4 with the start stop. And then we do have 8-speed automatic transmission in this. I can't believe I forgot that in the beginning. Usually I say it right away. But anyways, perfect little vehicle if you want to cruise around in it. I don't know why it's not. There we go. All right, there's one more quick look on the inside, one quick look on the outside. Beautiful little Jeep Compass. If you want to take it for a test drive or if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call here at Big Lakes Dodge, and of course we'd be happy to help you out with that. See you in the next one.